Hi, I'm Suhan Shetty. I'm a cloud evangelist and I lead the solution practice for infra and data. My journey starts when I joined Niveus Solutions as an application developer. We had just started building the GCP practice and we plan to get into the information and the data modernization space. So my role at that point of time was to build the team to build the cloud modernization practice. First learning was when we worked with an apparel brand where we had to migrate 1 terabytes of data. That's when we realized that we need to not only build it at precision and approach, but also speed and scale. So with that, we started to build a ramp focused on infra modernization, where we built data ops, DevOps, and all the skills to do the infra migration. And along with that, we also started building the data practices. The journey was quite interesting. Big opportunity was when we started working with a Delhi-based org, which also gave us the largest closure of that year. And we not only had to give them a sense of belief that we can do this, but also come back home and put all of these things together at speed and scale. Indeed, we did turn it around, and that became a big opener for us. And eventually our work spoke. We were recognized as the partner of the year for the last 3-4 years now. We've also realized there are a lot more partners in the market today. There are more challenges. There is a lot more AI which has come into the system, and we cannot be thinking of ourselves as complacent. I think we continue to be a day one team. What it means is we continue to innovate, use AI, identify white spaces where we need to do better. And that's the difference you would always see when you work with an organization like Niveus Solutions, now NTT DATA. But the greatest differentiator is the kind of people we have. And why I say so is because the power of retentions has compounded. When we started this practice, work out of Dakshin Kannada, which starts from Kasaragod to Karwar. This is a tier 3 place. Unlike Bangalore, our folks, when they join, they start as a fresher and eventually become an SME. I'm at 8 years in the org. We have the same people who joined us, retained, and continue to accelerate in multiple global regions and practices. And that is the power of retention for us. If I can just tell you in brief, the word as mother and motherland is greater than heaven, which really works out for us. Every time we are designing a landing zone for a major bank, or we are building the data mesh for a global entity, we are defining how this whole coastal belt is remembered, and we are solving the world's toughest problem right here from our homes.